What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and if you're looking for an easy way to earn money online in 2019, well then I have good news for you, because I'm gonna share with you 5 easy ways you can start today to earn money online in 2019 and beyond. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related stuff and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, I just came up with a bonus method also that I want to share with you here today, so make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And keep in mind that these methods that I'm going to share with you here are actually aimed to get you started to make some extra money online. It's not something that you can get rich on, so if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we'll save that for the end of the video here, because for now we want to get started to make some easy money online with these methods. Let's get started. Okay, the first and probably the easiest one is actually to have a quick look at our home. If we have something that we want to sell off, some clothes or something that we don't use, some watches or whatever it can be. So have a quick look and get started to actually list them on eBay. Alright? It probably is one of the easiest way to make some extra money online. Let's move on to the second one. The second opportunity is we can do some kind of micro work, some micro tasks actually. The site that I'm sharing with you here today is Micro Workers, and you can see here clearly that there is tons of opportunities that you can make some extra money. Here is a quick example. They want you to create a Gmail account and you can make 8 cents for that. This is another one. You can go to YouTube, make a search, watch a video, like, subscribe, comment, take a screenshot and show them proof, and you can make 10 cents. So as I said, you're probably not going to get rich with these opportunities, but you can definitely make some extra money, because there is many opportunities and small tasks that you can do here to make some extra money online. Alright, let's move on to next opportunity, which is taking surveys. So you can see here, made $3 just for 10 minutes worth of surveys, and just made $10 for a video that she did here. So what you do is really simple. You get paid taking quick, simple surveys on all kinds of topics right on your mobile device. So this works on mobile. And another site that I shared recently also is surveytime.io, where you actually get paid instantly. That means that you make $1 for every survey you take, and you get paid straight away. It goes literally in minutes, and that is straight to your PayPal account there. So surveytime.io is definitely one quick way to get started to make some easy money online. Alright, let's move on to next opportunity, which is to be a transcriptionist. You can actually do some captions also here, as you can see on rev.com. And if you can handle a foreign language, you can definitely do some foreign subtitles. But probably the most popular one is transcription. What you do here is you go to the section at the bottom where it says freelancers, and if we open it up here, you can see that you can actually make anywhere from 36 to 65 cents per audio video minute. As a captioner you make more, 45 to 75, and of course if you know a foreign language you can make $1.50 up to $3 per audio video minute. So there is definitely more sites, but I think that this is probably one of the most popular. Just go to rev.com. Okay, another opportunity that we can earn some easy money online is actually to become some kind of a tester. And you can see here, if you go to testerwork.com, you can earn money testing apps. So what you do here is you sign up to become a tester, and you see that there is a lot of popular companies. They come to this site because they want to test their latest app or some websites and have some feedback, and that's where you can come in and get paid for that. Another very popular site is Usertesting Com, and you get to the section where it says get paid to test, and you can see here you can actually earn up to $60 per test. But here is, you make actually $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete, and they want you to visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts aloud. So more or less you record a video. They ask you if you can see some buttons, you can push them, or if you can see some products that they have uploaded and so on. And that is, of course, they want to improve their products and their apps, and that's where you can come in and get paid for that. So become a tester, go to usertesting.com or testerwork.com and get started with that. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become some kind of a freelancer. Here we go to Fiverr.com, which is probably the most popular. And I don't know your skills, so let's say for example you're good at graphics, you can definitely go here and do some graphics. You can do video editing, audio editing, whatever you can think of is probably available here on Fiverr. So what you do is you create a profile and you get started to offer your freelance services here. And don't limit yourself to just one, because I just came up with you can do some data entry jobs, for example, which is really easy. You can actually do the transcription or captioner, because these are also available here. Okay, transcribe. Okay, so if I just go to the transcribe, you can see that there is people that are making money. And don't limit yourself that you make only $4 or $5, because you definitely make much more. Now this is translated to euros here, because this is not for 60 minutes or something like that. So if they want to have transcribed, let's say 10 or 15 minutes, you will definitely have to pay more, and that means that you can earn more. So just go to Fiverr.com and apply there to take up on some gigs. Whatever you can imagine to do some kind of a freelance job, it is available here, and post a few gigs there so you can have more chances to make some more money there. Alright, let's go with a bonus method here, and that is actually go to a site like Swagbucks. And how this works is that they reward the members there with free gift cards and cash for everyday things that they already do online. So you make money by actually shopping online, answering surveys, watching videos, discover offers, search the web, play games, and have probably some more opportunities there. What you do is you go to swagbucks.com and you fill in the details there and get started to make some extra money. As I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities there. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you get some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It really helps a lot. Make sure you subscribe to both my channels that you see here at the end screen. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.